So guys, there it is, our ackee and saltfish wonton. Fogo. Ackee and saltfish wonton. Guys, this is a combination of deliciousness, and this is the recipe I want to share with you today. Don't go anywhere. Anywhere. And then I'm gonna add some olive oil, not a lot. Okay guys, this is my ackee, canned ackee. Technicality of this recipe, I don't even know if this goes inside or outside, but I'm gonna put it outside. I'm like, this ackee and saltfish is ready to be eaten. Why am I gonna do all of this? But I know it's gonna be so convenient for me to just grab and go, and so I decided to continue with the idea of just putting the ackee and saltfish in a wonton. So I wet the edges just like so. I grab the edge just like that, bring this side in, grab, squeeze the seal. It's a learning for me as well, guys. So if I, an amateur, can do this, then trust me, you can too. Please stay shut in the name of Jesus. We don't want no spills. That's it.
Guys, we're down to the last one. I pulled it out. So ackee is very soft. So if you're making this recipe and you find it hard to fit the ackee and all the veggies and stuff in there, just break the ackee up, just like that. Very soft. So it can be more flexible. So guys, I'm glad I continued instead of calling it a day. What I'm more concerned about is
I'm using canola oil. All my wontons are wrapped, but I noticed that this one was broken, so all I did was double it. And if this happened to you, you don't have to like throw out the wrapper. Just put a extra one over it and seal it off just like this. Perfect. Guys, this recipe was absolutely delicious and it is very versatile. If you want them for appetizer, check. If you want them for snack, check. If you have a busy work week and you just want to grab something on the go, put a few in your lunch bag and warm them up for lunch. Man, they are absolutely delicious as well. It reminds me of eating fried dumplings and ackee and saltfish. So remember, if you are new here, subscribe, browse around, feel free to look around at the different recipes that I offer. And guys, just want to say big up to all my followers and subscribers. Appreciate and love you 100%. And I'll see you soon with another incredible recipe. Until then, what good? Peace.